So I've made the cut, now I'm going to retract it. Hopefully it didn't blow it over, because I've never used this machine. Focus. Looks good. We'll see. Alrighty, so I think we're good. Just gotta knock them in there. I'll mic it when I take the fixture off. So I had to take the pilot out because I want to measure the depth. Anyhow, so I'll check the seat ring against the block here, just to compare. As you can see, it's 218. And now I'll try to get in there and measure that without taking the fixture off. So I was able to get it in there. And we got about 217, a little more than that, which should be fine. We can stone it. So it means the seat will be a half dial proud, which is no big deal. So now I got the pilot from the IDL machine in here, complete with the knurled nut on the bottom. And I'm going to drive the seat ring in. I just have a little graphite powder on my fingers. I'm going to run it around there. Some people use other stuff. Grease, Loctite, you know. Well, it's going to cook out of there anyways, the way I see it. See, now I'm going to drive it.